This is silent genset. Before start the genset, we should know how to operation. First, you should add the diesel fuel here. Second, to add the current in the top, we have a remark here. And three is add the engine oil. This place add the engine oil. This hose here. And start, we should have pumpers. If the long time new use, you should push here to let the fuel pipe air out. Push up and down. Then we study how to start the genset. This is the control panel of the genset, which powered by UK Deep Sea. We should start step by step. For example, step 1, push here. Step 2, push here. It will be start. And all the frequency and voltages is okay. You can switch on the genset of the control genset here. You can switch on. If frequency and the voltage is okay, you have 3 lines, 4 wires here connecting your cables. You can see the hose in the base. You can go here. This is the genset.